What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. Hope you're well. I'm going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.0424, down about 0.6 on the day. Seeing market cap about 300 million. 24-hour volume 163 million. Let's hop to the chart. It's going to start here on the daily time frame. So we confirmed the bullish cross. As you can see, the 20 crossed over the 55. Confirmation of the bullish cross. The last time we had the bullish cross was right down here. We had the bullish cross and we saw a juicy gain of 150%. Give you another example. Actually, I can't because the chart of Gala doesn't go back close enough. But you can look at other cryptocurrencies when they had the bullish cross. They can lead to absolutely massive moves, thousands of percentages. So that confirmation just printed. Now we were watching this double bottom pattern. We broke out and we basically met our target. We're currently seeing a little bit of pullback here. So let's jump into the wave count. Oh, we're just seeing some swift sell-off right now. So potentially I was looking for a wave 4 pullback, but the max retracement is 0.0420. So if we break that, then I would assume that this orange wave count, as I posted in the Discord, is complete, which would complete the wave 3, which would be perfectly fine. As I'll show you here quickly, just going to remove these fibs so it's not distracting. If we take a fib extension from the bottom of this wave 1, see this green wave count to the top, to the bottom of the wave 2, you can see we almost pushed up to the 1.618. So we've done everything we need to complete that wave 3 in green. Now if that were to be the case, looks like the wave 4 retracement wouldn't be too much deeper, but let's look at what the max retracement would be for the wave 4. So it would be the 50% fib level, which isn't that much deeper. It's coming in at about 0.0417. So if we break 0.0402, then you could assume that that wave 3 in green is complete, and you would need to hold the max retracement of 0.0417. So do watch for that for our friend Gala Games. As of right now, everything's looking good. We broke out of this resistance from the double bottom that we're covering on the channel, so we may just be coming back down to retest it before potentially seeing continuation to the upside. Looking at our larger wave counts, we've been in a long trade since down here at this falling wedge, still looking for it to push higher before I'm going to take my profits, and I gave a signal for that in the Discord. But if we look at our larger wave counts from this low here, this is the wave count which is here in white. Take a trend based fib extension from the bottom of that wave 1 to the top to the bottom of that wave 2. Your 1.618 target is about 0.51. That's what I'm looking for Gala Games. And you know our larger wave count targets, if we zoom out, the red wave count from the low here at about 1 cent. The wave 3 target is all the way up at about 38 cents for our friend Gala Games. I do think we'll reach that price target, as I've been mentioning. I do think the bottom is in. My HODL position is full at about 0.038, 0.039. I'm happy with that. So we'll see if we see that continuation to the upside. But as of right now, the wave count is looking pretty good. As I mentioned, that pullback needs to hold 0.042, or you can assume that this wave 3 in green is complete and you're seeing the wave 4 pullback. In that case, you have to hold 0.041. Daily time frame, we're printing the bullish cross. Very strong sign of bullish continuation. As long as we hold those daily EMAs, we're looking good for continuation up to our targets. Top of this descending channel, 0.059. That's where I'll look to start taking profits on my trade, as well as 0.064. We have this bull flag. And we do have some major resistance at about 0.069. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. I mostly trade on Bitget. Check out my full-length tutorials. All you have to do is email me or sign up email. You get completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, I will give you a 30-day free trial of my signals analysis, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, as you can see. My HODL alt plays, all of that's coming in at only $10 per month, which you can sign up to the Patreon. But as I mentioned, if you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, email me or sign up email. 30-day free trial, completely for free. No questions asked. All right, gang, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, excuse me, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.